Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to reset your Instagram password if you forget it. You have to just click on forgotten password. Just click on it and here you have to enter your email address or username. So I am entering my email address. So just click on continue and here the Instagram has sent you a code on your email account. You have to just check it out. So back open the Gmail and the Instagram has sent me this code. So here you can copy this by clicking on it and copy it. Now go to Instagram and paste it. Click on continue. Choose your account. So I am choosing my account. So I have successfully logged into my account. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.